Okay, what I just had you do is called prime factorization. And throughout the year, we've been working on factors. What times what equals a number? Well, this is kind of the same thing, except all the numbers have to be prime. So when I had you start, I had you think about numbers that multiplied together that equal 56. So if we did 56 is what? Madeline? 7 times 8. Now, of 7 and 8, are either of them prime? Haley? 7 is prime. So we keep that there, we circle it. We go to 8. 8 is not prime. So we're going to find two numbers that multiply together that equal 8. Brandis. So we have 2 times 4. Of 2 and 4, are either of those prime? Olivia. 2 is prime. Remember, 2 is the only even prime number. 4 is not. So we need to find two numbers that multiply together to equal 4. Madison? 2 times 2. And both of those are prime. So now we look at these numbers and we write them down as a multiplication problem. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. So that's the prime factorization of 56. Now, just to show you that there's multiple ways of getting the correct answer, I'm going to do another example here. 56 again. What kind of number is 56? Kelsey? It's composite. What else could we say about it? Madeline? It's even. If it's even, that means it's divisible by 2. So we could start with 2 times, Kelsey, 2 times 28. 2 is prime, 28 is composite. So we find two numbers that multiplied together that equal 28. Madeline? 14 times 2. Okay, we could do 2 times 14. If you wanted to, you could even do 7 times 4. It doesn't matter. Okay, so 2 times 14. 2 is prime. So now we have to find two numbers that multiply together to equal 14. Haley? Yep. 2 times 7. And both of those are prime. And we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. So we end up with the exact same answer. Okay? Okay, there's one other thing that I want to point out with prime factorization. This was the answer that we came up with. In math, there are things called exponents. Everybody say exponents. Exponents are the little numbers that you see that are kind of above the other number. So let's say we had x like that. Raise your hand if you've ever seen something like that before, with a little number above the other one. Okay, that's an exponent. And what an exponent is is it tells how many times this number is multiplied together. So for this problem, the answer was 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. We can write that using an exponent, and it looks like this. 2, we say to the third power times 7. So those two things mean exactly the same thing. It's just a different way of writing it. Go ahead, Brandis.
So it's like, how many times you're timing it? Like, how many times you're timing that number?
Yeah, it's how many times 2 is multiplied together. So it's 3 2's multiplied together times 7. Monet?
So is it kind of like 2 times 3 is 6?
It's not 2 times 3. It's 3 2's multiplied together. So 2 to the third power equals 8 times 7. So that's exponents.